Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to add ChatGPT extension on Google Chrome browser. So if you also want to add ChatGPT extension on Google Chrome browser, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So adding the ChatGPT extension on Google Chrome browser is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in Chrome webstore.google.com, press enter. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the Chrome Web Store. From here you'll be able to search for extensions and themes. Right over here you'll be able to see the search bar. All you have to do is click on it. Now simply type in ChatGPT. You'll be able to see several results over here. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for ChatGPT sidebar and GPT-4o. Simply click on it. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find more information about this extension. You'll be able to read the overview over here. Also you'll be able to see the ratings. Also you'll be able to see the details like version, updated, size, features, languages, etc. Make sure to read these informations very carefully. Now simply scroll up. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for add to Chrome. All you have to do is click on it. Now simply wait for a while. Now after that, you can see over here the ChatGPT extension will be installed. If you want to access it, simply click on the extension icon that you can see right over here. After that, on the extensions, you'll be able to find the option for ChatGPT. If you want to use it, simply click on it and you'll be able to use the ChatGPT extension on Google Chrome. So that is how you add ChatGPT extension on Google Chrome browser. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.